Hey, what's going on, everybody? Dustin here with Hook and Needle. Me and my buddy DJ the other night were here in the garage at the workbench, and we made some custom jigs. And the next morning, first thing, took the tiny boat out, hit the lake to see what they could do. So while we were working, we made some poison tail jigs, we made some bladed swim jigs, we made some shaky heads and some Ned rig heads, and filled up my box, so I should be good for a while. Won't have to make anything for a little bit. Hey, but enough of that, let's get right to it. Nope, it's already going, but it's all fogged up, so that ain't gonna do shit.
Number one, not a bad one.
Yeah, buddy.
Stay in here.
Right in the top of the mouth. Yeah, there we go. Little spotted bass. See ya, player. There you go.
Oh, dude,
there you go.
Dude, get it. Get the net, please. Oh, never mind.
No, bring him to me. Bring him to me. Woo! There we go. That's a good one.
Bro.
That's a good one.
Yes. Holy sh.
Oh, big. He's trying to get in the wood.
Here. Woo!
Yeah. Bigger.
Oh yeah, baby. Let's go.
Homemade bait day, baby. Boom. That's a good. All right, big dog. Oh. As soon as he hit it, I jacked him, but I should have let him take it for a second, I guess. I don't know, man. Guess he just had the tail. I was pulling him by the bait. Man, it is summer madness out here right now. Bikinis and stand-up paddle boards and kayaks. Oh my God. People got the summer fever right now. Hey, that's cool. I like it. I like the atmosphere. Breaking out of that lockdown. Yeah, I'm super happy for you, man. That's so sick. You caught a big fish on your own jig. First time out. Dopeness.
I was determined, like, that wasn't going to come off of that one specifically, because like we talked about, it handles well and everything else with the weight, plus just the feel. That wasn't going to come off unless it broke off or caught something with it. I still don't want it off.
Got one. There we go. Not bad. Yeah, it is. Get up here, boy. There we go. All right. Another spot. Spotted bass. See you, buddy. Thanks for biting. Keep it rolling and click on one of the other videos linked to this one. That was my buddy DJ. It was a lot of fun going out there with him. We've been running the boat a lot and trying a lot of new things. You'll see him in a lot of upcoming videos. He's a funny dude. We always have a good time. But until next time, subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll see what I got coming up next.